Let's put the forest in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding. If you have to chew it, it's not mixed enough.
I don't even know what to do. I like want to cry.
Compared to this, that's not too bad. Okay.
These in the fridge. This is a disaster like last time.
What's up, guys? It's me, obviously, and I'm actually making hopefully good hot cocoa bombs. I bought some of these. I don't even know if these are the right ones, but we're gonna go with it. And then I bought white ones. If it will focus. And I just got like a small bag from Winco. For now, I'm just gonna test them with the chocolate ones. Cut this. That's okay. And it says to warm them up in 10 to 15 second intervals. And I'm using obviously the same one, the Nestle. And then I got these silicone molds from Amazon. The chocolate's a lot like smoother, I can tell. Would you perhaps like to be invited to my room to watch scary movies since we don't have school tomorrow?
I'm so down.
I'm glad you agree. I want to watch Poltergeist. Who's coughing? Who's coughing?
Me?
Why?
Because I was...
What are you huffing? Glitter? What are you huffing?
No, the candle smoke.
Oh,
It
dude,
tasted
I've
like
done that
tea.
before so many times where I'm like, after because I'm breathing so hard. Okay, so that took way too long. Now I'm gonna go put these in the freezer and let them freeze, and then I'll fill them and decorate them and all that. So this is the part last time when it went all wrong. So let's hope for the best here. But they seem okay right now. Falling apart a little bit. They're done. Maybe they're not. Okay. I have a question for any of you short-haired folk. How do I style it? Because this is what it looks like right now because I didn't brush it after my shower last night. But I just automatically put on a beanie or my hoodie to avoid doing it. Oh, that wasn't done in the middle. So if you have any tips on how to just get it to stay, because it's been about a month now, a month and a half that I've had my hair cut, and I still have not fully adjusted. That one's not done either. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I will cry. It's good. Scarily melted really fast in my mouth. Some of these are really thin on the sides despite me putting extra chocolate.
Oh, I mean, it falls down.
I'll do 30 seconds first.
To get hot. Let's put the forest in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
Fill it up with some hot cocoa. I'm not gonna be cheap with it, so then I'm gonna get some marshmallows. So many marshmallows, man.
Shut up.
It like fell in, but it's fine.
15-second intervals. Is that even how you say it? Probably
Yes.
not. Oh, well.
Oh my god. Yes, ma'am.
God. Bro, you're just
Melting it. It's melting in my hand.
I wonder why. Maybe it's
Oh,
a hot chocolate
it's
melting
melting.
on it.
I'm gonna put these in the fridge. This is a disaster like last time. So Daddy said that it's not supposed to melt if it's the right chocolate.
Oh, jeez, this is gonna break.
It's not supposed to melt. It's not supposed to do this. I don't know what's wrong with it. Should I try some with the white ones? It's just falling apart in my hand. I don't even know what to do. I like want to cry.
This one?
For candy making and fondue. Chocolate melting makers for fountains and fondues. This one is for candy making and fondue. So, I'm gonna try these now. I'm so enthusiastic about it.
I'm very mad.
I'm so upset. I'm going to melt some white. See what happens. I'm just not meant to work with chocolate. Now I'm gonna do the stupid white chocolate.
Stupid.
Yes, stupid.
Stupid. Oh, was that another?
What?
It looked like a cat hair. Or the thing is, no, I think it's just stringy.
Oh, it's so thick.
Because this was made for carving.
I'm very angry.
The hatred words are.
I
Jesus.
literally don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is the last. This is the last time I will be making these, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm done because I'll give the candy to someone else.
Oh,
I am angry, so let's hope these two work out. So I put white chocolate over the original ones, and it didn't melt, so that's cool. But I just got these out of the freezer, so let's see how these react.
edges are looking a little rough, aren't they?
This.
Oh, that stuff?
Yeah, just put like one of those and then a few marshmallows. Should be fighting with me over. Okay, now put marshmallows. Okay, now I'm gonna melt this.
Go.
The bottom one is rough.
You should make them all flat, like us. Yeah, good job.
That's not too shabby.
Compared to this, that's not too bad. Okay, this one
It
you can
really
see through.
isn't. These ones are kind of thin. I don't know why the chocolate was so thick to begin with.
Because this one is actually meant to be used for this. So like it requires even more to like go. I changed my mind.
This one's like getting cold. Look.
Teach me how to do. Teach me how to do.
Remember that? Okay, maybe I'm not done with it because it's the right chocolate, so it's not, you know, melting.
This one's for melts. Can I punch them? Oh,
Literally, look, they're already.
kind of. Oh, they like melt just with the warmth of your fingertips.
Yeah. Now they actually aren't melting in my hand. Like, it's glossy, feel it. So I'm still gonna put it in the fridge just so they don't actually melt because they're so crunchy.
How long did this go?
Oh my god. So these are the other ones. They're not that bad. They can still, you know, cool. It's just...
Wow.
You can finish the line.
You'll get better over time, don't worry. Not like you have the time. Well, you do.
I do now.
You have all the time.
Now
Well,
Well, I mean, I still have to vlog and all
okay,
that.
this is Mr. Claus entertaining. Okay, shh.
So I'm gonna warm myself up some almond milk,
So gross.
and then I'm gonna pour it over the thingy. Okay, so I am gonna make these again, not on camera, but I'll make them for like my girlfriend and maybe some other close family members. And obviously I'll show them in the vlog and whatnot, but yeah.
But there's not even milk in there. What are you doing?
I know, you're gonna pour it on top. Okay, y'all can see what I'm doing?
It's called the hot cocoa bomb, not hot cocoa.
The other one isn't melting. There you go. It probably needed to be more warm.
I was gonna use that too, but the stabs seem more fun. Warm it up.
Gary's way.
Oh, warm it up.
It's probably just hot cocoa.
Oh, you're holding it like a white girl drinking her tea in the morning.
That's not mixed enough.
It's not.
And the milk is not hot.
If you have to chew it, it's not mixed enough.
Been on the whole video anyways.
Okay, that was this video. Another disaster. But in a later vlog, maybe 2 days from now, once I recover from this tragic event.
When she recovers, yes.
Yes, I will make them again. This was like my vlog. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
God, not even a bye. No, bye.
Bye.